Hi friends, hello, good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martyna and today I was planning to film a different video, but I woke up to find that I now have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is absolutely incredible. I don't know, you guys. I've never thought back when I started that I would get to this incredible milestone. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed recently, and to every single one of you who has been with me for a longer time, some of you even for years. You guys make it worth it. And you know, I've been doing YouTube for 3.5 years about right now, and I've had my ups and downs. I definitely have had my ups and downs, but you guys, your support, your comments, the fact that you are watching my videos and liking them, you keep me going and you make all of those downs worth it and all of those ups even more exciting and incredible. Thank you for this experience. Thank you for your incredible support of my dream to have my own creative business. So you may not know, if you have subscribed quite recently, that last year I decided to take a chance on this creative thing that I was doing, and I resigned from my corporate job and I started to be a full-time creator and crafter. And this, like, you guys, you make it possible, my patrons make it possible, my customers who buy my digitals or my journals make it possible. There is no one part which is more important than the other. So thank you so much. Even if you just watch my videos and we've never talked in the comments, and you just maybe watch and click the like button sometimes, you matter to me and I appreciate you so much. And so to say thank you and to kind of express my gratitude and also my joy, because I'm so happy, you guys. I decided to do a giveaway. So I have, and I'm going to show it to you guys in detail in a moment, but I have a journal here that I made sometime last year as part of one of my bigger journal collections, and I decided to save this one for a special occasion. And I honestly can't think of a better occasion than to celebrate hitting 20,000 subscribers. So this journal, I'm going to give you guys a quick flip through of this. So this is going to be the prize of the giveaway. And now to enter the giveaway, it's going to be really simple. I was thinking about what to do as kind of like a criterion to entering the giveaway. And I was thinking, what is one of the most important things to me about YouTube and about what we do here? And I decided quite, you know, quickly that it's the community, it's the people who I was able to meet here, it's you guys. And so I thought for this giveaway, some basic requirements or some basic kind of criteria, if you will, would be please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. But I would ask you to comment under this video with a channel, a crafty channel or a journaling channel, something along the lines that we do here, that you think that deserve, that the person whose channel it is deserves more love and more recognition, and you would like to shout them out. So let's spread the love, let's spread the joy. So yeah, so again, please comment with someone's channel that you think deserves more recognition, and I would ask you to comment not with your own but with someone else's to enter the giveaway. However, if you do have a channel, a crafty channel, please also mention this in this comment, because we would love to follow you. And like, it's I just want to, you know, I just want people who maybe look for some new channel recommendations to follow and fall in love with. I would love them to be able to browse through this comment section and find the channels that you mention, and also find your channels. So again, just to kind of sum it up, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also please write a comment with a channel that you would like to shout out, that you think deserves a little bit more love, and that you really enjoy their content. And of course, if you do have a channel, a crafty journaling channel as well, then please also mention it. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for those 3 years. Thank you for making my YouTube experience one of the most incredible and meaningful and just the best parts of my life and experiences in my whole life. I never would have imagined getting here, so thank you so much. And now I'm going to shift you guys to my desk and show you the journal. Here she is. Here is the journal. So this is a journal in my style, so there is of course some fabric decorating the edges. It's not decorated inside, there is a lot of space to make it your own, and the front here has this beautiful image from a book that I really love. We have a frame, not sure if the camera is picking it up, but this frame is raised, so this image is inside, and then there is some decoupage with a napkin and also some gold leaf. And yeah, I used a few different paint colors to get this really pretty blush pale color. And then here is the spine, so again a lot of decoupage and gold leaf, and I just love this napkin and I love how it looks. And here is the back, and I love it so much. Now, I have been making some fabric covered journals recently, but just looking at this makes me want to paint and decoupage some journals and play with different media. And then it of course has a charm full of beads and charms and a key and this gold ribbon, which is one of my favorites. So this is what it looks like, and it's also quite loose here, so that you can bring it up and down easily when you are working in the journal and you don't want it to be in the way. Now when we open her up, so this is a slightly different size from my usual. My usual is more like this, so more not horizontal, vertical, right, like portrait, but this one is more square. It's not square per se, but let me show you. We have 21 centimeters tall, or about 8 1/4 by 7, almost 7 1/2, or 18 1/2 centimeters, and then a 2-inch spine, 3 signatures. So it's very happy. I remember making this for my spring collection last year, so there will be a lot of those really pretty happy colors. So yeah, I hope whoever wins it will bring them joy. So front and the back we have pages from the same book, and they are just so beautiful. They are just so beautiful. This is a page from my digital kit. I think this is Love Me Lilac, and then the spine here, the spine section is lined with some beautiful scrapbooking cardstock, and on some of the edges I also used these are mulberry paper flowers, so I stitched them as little tabs and decorations. This page is from Lorna Tailor-Made Journals on Etsy, her lace collection, some beautiful scrapbooking cardstock. So again, with this one I really went for the soft, vintagey but soft colors. Here is a calendar from one of my Edith Holden books, and this ribbon again here on the edge, vintage ledger paper. This one is from Screech Owl Studio on Etsy, very beautiful digital kit. Some coffee paper with a lace imprint and more flowers. Again from my kit, Love Me Lilac. This is a fabric dyed paper, or a paper that I dyed with fabric dye, and I added this little doily here to have some for you to have some journaling space, and this little note card. This one is, I believe, from Medieval Mirage, again on Etsy, and again from Lorna. Love Me Lilac. I really love this kit, very much spring-like, May sort of kit. Beautiful Medieval Mirage. And then this is again a little doily note card to just add some journaling space. More fabric dyed paper, more lilacs. More. This is a fairy tale kit from Screech Owl Studio. Here we have a vintage ledger with some eyelash trim that is stitched to the edge. This one is again from one of the Edith Holden books, which is like a family book or like a organizer, something like that. So this is a fun place to journal. Vintage book pages. Fabric dyed paper, blue this time, and some fabric ruffle. Here is Love Me Lilac, and I stitched a little bit of this chiffon ribbon to the side, and all of those strings from sewing I left loose and long because this is the way I like them, but you can easily cut them off. And then this page is just so stunning. I love it so much. Love irises. More fabric dyed vintage book pages, and this this coloring here is so beautiful. It's all natural. More doilies. I love how this journal turned out, and I'm so excited for it to find a home. This is a page from a poetry book. So we have A Contemplation Upon Flowers by Henry King, and we have Foliage by Felicia Dorothea Hemans. So I tried to stitch it the way that you would be able to see both of the poems, and there is some journaling space. I love having like poems or art pieces in my journal to just inspire me as I work in it. This is from a Victorian garden catalogue, like a reprint or reproduction. Some sari silk here. More doilies. Oh, this beautiful, beautiful page. More from Love Me Lilac. As are these pages. This one I think is my favorite. It's so cute. Some more from the poetry book, and this one has some paintings. And beautiful thick cardstock. Vintage book page. More of these doilies and some trims here and there. This is so beautiful and so spring-like. I think I have been gifted one other of this book. can I show you guys? Yeah. Just in case you're interested, this is the one, The Painted Garden, A Year in Words and Watercolors by Mary Wooden. And it was gifted to me by my amazing friend Sandy. And now, just looking through this journal, this is making me want to create another collection with this. So yeah, beautiful. Beautiful book. More flowers. Journaling space. This is a tea stained or coffee stained paper with some leftover acrylic paint, and acrylic paint is really nice to write over. It's very smooth. Vintage ledger. More not tea but fabric dyed papers. Oh, I love this blue spread as well. And I tried to just sneak in some forget-me-nots, of course, as these are my favorite flowers. Oh, you guys, I am so happy today. Like, I've had the worst 2 months with the heat wave, and I've been feeling so unwell. And today, to wake up on a Monday to this wonderful news, and it filled me, because you know, it's not the numbers. The number is just like a milestone, and I am incredibly grateful for it, but it's what the number means. It means that 20,000 people over those 3 years decided that they like my videos enough to subscribe to my channel, and through this I got to meet all of you guys who, I don't know, I'm just so happy today. This made my day, and it's only morning, so it's just, you know, it's going to be a great day. I love how these two papers correspond, and here is the end. So this is the journal that is going to be the prize of the giveaway. And so just once again, to sum everything up, if you would like to take part in the giveaway, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also in the comments section please mention one channel or more, of course, at least one, that you think that deserves more love and more recognition, and so that we can all follow them. And also, if you do have a channel yourself, then also please feel absolutely free to mention your channel as well. And also, maybe, you know, if you have some crafty friends, maybe recommend this video to them, so our little family can grow still. And in any case, thank you again, thank you so much for those 3 years and for making this such an incredible experience. And here is to 3 and 10 and even more years to come. So yeah, I will speak to you guys very soon in the next video. Bye!